What's up, YouTube? It's your boy BoostedMari back with another video. And as y'all see, let me stand in the light. As y'all see by the title, we're going to a little Carmeet, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, we just met up with my boy Q. You know, little boy. I was speaking to him, look at him. My boy that got him a vet too, man. He just got his, you know, I just got mine. And he just got this nigga in the Camaro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's why he got his ass in the back. For the rest of the day, your ass is in the back.
I don't give a fuck. I know I'm the quickest.
Hold on. I still got that motherfucker right there.
I ain't worried. I'm gonna go boost too, nigga. And nitrous. Yeah.
But shit, you know, we late. We were supposed to be there. What time that should start? Like 2 hours ago?
But they probably wanna go pack by the time we get ready.
Yeah, true. You know, we black, so you know, we late to everything.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know. Our on time is late, you feel me? So we gonna meet up with some other people. I think Curly's gonna be there. And well, y'all know Curly. I just got in the car with his ass, y'all know what I'm saying. But so yeah, we gonna meet up with them. We probably finna head out now. I'm finna get gas and shit real quick, and then we're gonna turn the camera back on when we get close.
I always need gas.
I do always need gas, but I ain't gonna lie. You right. I be having gas, and then you know I just look that shit.
I stay with gas.
Yeah.
I'm over here probably say a 6.9.
Y'all be liking the POV clip, so you know. Buddy in that truck tweaking. I know y'all be liking the POV drives and stuff like that. And it's sunny too, so you know y'all got to see me going through the gears and stuff like that. So you know, had the camera on, got them boys behind me. So I'm probably gonna chop it up back and forth. Oh shit. this motherfucker kind of deep. We're gonna walk around, show off some of the cars. But look at this shit right here, bro. What? Bruh. Hey, what if I do some 335? That's it. No way. I wonder how that shit sound. That's really. I wonder how it sounds.
Wait, is it skunk too? Then it's skunk too.
That's crazy. At least it's boosted, I guess. I don't Alright, we gotta try to find curl. I ain't lying. This shit deep though. His girl thick. Why we both say the same?
Look at that V3.
Oh my god, the helmet on. He say he cooking you out the track, no cap.
Oh no.
Cook. He said you're not fucking with him.
I still want
That bitch so clean.
Damn, Mari, he stunned on you right there. He cam too, twin.
Man, fuck that ZLC. I got the broke boy special. That base model.
We all do, nigga.
It's okay though.
That's all I want.
Niggas got about 6 weeks.
What are you talking like? That's that BMW.
Hold on. Let's go that way, goddamn.
Hold on.
Oh, it's an M3.
I want one.
This is what I really was gonna buy.
What if I get that, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, you can't really make them that fast, but they sound good though.
They're not that. Damn, I wanna go fast.
Like even if you supercharge them, you'll make like 550. What the fuck am I?
can't walk this off.
Cause I be stepping on shit. This thing got a whole fit on down there.
I'm chilling, man. It's just a play. It's a basic.
That motherfucker sound good though, I ain't gonna lie.
That thing got a little something to it.
Nah, that's a misfire.
I wanna say that shit on camera. Oh shit, let's see.
That bit hard though. You see the wheels on it?
Yeah.
That's tough.
Look at the exhaust on that BMW right there.
Oh, I know what that nigga is. I think I'm supposed to be racing.
He's slow.
Yes, nigga. Man.
I'll beat him.
And that car probably, yeah.
Damn.
That shit
That shit just got quiet.
that cold stuff.
Damn, Mark.
Remember that he just bought parts for me.
Oh shit, Evo? Oh my god, look, Mark. Yeah, I'm gonna get my Evo.
That's fine, I'm gonna go buy one.
I'm gonna go buy one too. I want one.
That shit hard. That's what I wanted to do though. Have my shit come out the bumper.
Yeah.
But that bed's so hard though.
Man, this Evo,
Look at that. Look at this nigga. This is the first time you ever seen Seth without pajama pants on, man. I didn't think you own regular pants, man.
Yeah, bro.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? You know that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Clean little
Good to
stuff,
see
you know what I'm saying?
Good to see you too, bro.
Yeah.
I work clothes day. I got a washing machine.
This is rare.
Yeah.
I've never seen, bro. This is the first. I shit you not. As long as I know, so this is the first time I ever see him in jeans. I swear.
That is true.
I swear, bro.
No, I'm serious. I don't wear pajamas. Look, ask him. He never give me a ripple. It's always pajamas.
Man, yeah, you right. Everybody was talking shit about you. Hey, Jeremy said the same thing. That motherfucker out here racing everybody in pajamas and shit.
He went it too.
All right, good night. We're going back to bed. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
This is crazy. This C6 go crazy. This is what I was supposed to have. But you're not about the base model. It's okay. My BMW will walk all this shit. It's fine.
BMW?
Especially you.
Oh shit. Lawyer.
60. Watch this. Give me a 60.
Here.
Give me a 60.
Give me a 50.
See?
That's a meet in the middle.
See what I'm
Meet in the
saying?
middle. Y'all can meet in the middle.
Meet in the middle.
This car works from a 60. He just know he not gonna fuck with me from the 60.
I will
It's
50
okay.
any day.
I know you
I
will.
want a 40.
Alright, you give me my 60, I give you your 50.
How that? How that work? I want a 40, and you said I'll give you the 50 instead.
Nah,
You thought he was slick. You thought he was slick. Yeah, I got it on camera too.
Nah. That's like, hey, look, editing, my boy. Make that shit disappear.
Cut it out.
Make that shit disappear.
I'm finna show.
This motherfucker's so pretty. I ain't gonna lie, this is the color I want to wrap the BMW.
Right here, dog.
This shit's so nice. It's like it look black, but then when the light hit it, it's perfect. Got a Corolla on top. This shit nice as fuck. This is really what I want to do with my engine bay. A Corolla.
Oh, this shit was on April 28.
Yeah.
That's the owner right there.
That boy famous. They did. They started two-stepping. So, and as y'all see, it's a cop in the corner creeping at me. So they probably gonna shut this motherfucker down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start, walk to the car.
God damn, look at the lawn.
Bro, is the truck in there?
Oh, I mean, we gotta see that one, bro.
Oh, no, look. The fucking, yeah, I gotta wait to see that movie. That's what I'm waiting to see. After that, I'll leave it after that. That's all I want to see.
I want to see the truck, bro.
R32, you're the challenger. Start when you're ready.
I'm not gonna remember that shit.
Who y'all think got it? Challenger. Yellow on deck 2.
Bro.
He's telling about Bronco.
I don't know. That nigga fuck around and win, bro. Oh, God.
Why y'all so close? Y'all fight.
Fire! Give me some fire!
buddy up. He just put buddy. Nigga was like, y'all ready? Y'all ready, goddamn.
Cody, I'm not gonna lie. You really better set it off, because those flames was crazy.
Buddy, the bus stay bad. He need like finish. He said, that boy spent the block. I see this man finally got to go. So see, his dad went too, but they kind of set him up.
Yeah,
they set him up.
I'm like, bro, why y'all got me going here?
But shit, man, I mean, it's a little chill, little vlog, you know, a little Carmeet or whatever. We probably finna head out. They probably just gonna keep two-stepping. We're not gonna stay here all night for that shit. So I'm gonna probably head to the crib, probably edit or whatever. Man, but hope y'all enjoyed the video. Nice little vlog or whatever, you know. Make sure you follow my boy. Follow that boy. You know what I'm